Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you troubleshooting Meta AI chat not showing on Messenger. So if Meta AI is available in your country and you have updated your Messenger, when you launch your Messenger, you should see this as Meta AI anything on the search bar. However, if you haven't seen this or if you open your messenger and this one doesn't show up, then I'm going to show you a few methods and how to fix this. First, you have to go to your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. So type messenger and you have to make sure that there is no update button right here. If you see an update button, then what you're going to do is to click that update so that your messenger is up to date or you will be using the latest version of your messenger application. The next method here, once you have updated your messenger, is that you have to go to your phone settings. And then here on phone settings, what you're going to do next is you have to look for app management and then click this app list. Now here you have to look for Messenger. You can scroll down or you can go to the search icon or search more, type Messenger, and then uninstall your Messenger. Click OK. And then once you have uninstalled your Messenger, you have to go back to your Play Store again and then reinstall this. So type Messenger, and then if you see install button, then all you have to do is to click install. Now, if after doing this method still you cannot see, or let's just say this Meta AI chat is still not showing up on Messenger, so the next method you should do here is to just simply go to Google Web Store and see if there's something wrong or if the Messenger is not okay today or if the Messenger is having problem. And if there's no problem with the messenger, then the very last thing you should know is if Meta AI is available in your country. So go to Google Chrome and then here you can search Meta AI available countries. And then you should see these countries or the country where this Meta AI or Meta AI feature is available. Now, if your country is not listed on the available countries for Meta AI feature, then what you're going to do next is you just have to wait till this feature will be available in your country soon. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.